Welcome to this video on making money with artificial intelligence. If you're looking to explore the vast potential of AI and how it can help you generate income, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some of the most accessible and effective ways to leverage AI technology to make money. With the increasing popularity and advancements in the field of artificial intelligence, more and more individuals are beginning to recognize the vast potential that these technologies hold. While AI was once reserved for expert data scientists and engineers, today's AI tools, such as ChatGPT and DALL-E, have been specifically designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making them accessible to anyone with even the most basic understanding of technology. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its ability to generate value and generate revenue. However, the idea of making money with machine learning can seem daunting, particularly for those who are new to the field. Fortunately, there are several ways that even those with surface-level knowledge about AI can leverage these powerful technologies to generate income. In this section, we will delve into 5 quick and accessible ways to make money with machine learning. These strategies do not require extensive technical knowledge or years of experience in the field of AI. Instead, they leverage existing tools and resources to enable anyone to start earning from machine learning. By exploring these options, beginners can unlock the potential of AI to generate value and drive revenue, opening up a world of new opportunities in the rapidly evolving world of technology. 1. Generate AI content. Generating income through online content has become a popular way for individuals to monetize their skills and passions. However, creating high-quality and engaging content consistently can be a challenge, especially when it comes to writing and visual elements. Luckily, advancements in AI technology have made content creation easier and more efficient. By utilizing AI-based tools such as Jasper, individuals can streamline their brainstorming, research, and drafting processes. With just a descriptive prompt, Jasper can generate content in various formats, such as blog posts, Instagram captions, and YouTube scripts. Furthermore, if the generated content doesn't quite meet your expectations, Jasper can quickly regenerate it to suit your preferences. This not only saves valuable time, but also helps ensure that the content produced is unique and engaging. In addition to generating text, AI technology can also be used to create visual elements. Platforms like DALL-E provide AI-generated art that can be incorporated into blog posts or social media content. This is a particularly great option for those without a budget for a professional artist or those looking for a quick and easy illustration. By leveraging AI-based tools for content creation, individuals can save time, increase efficiency, and produce high-quality and engaging content that can help generate a steady stream of income online. 2. Use AI for web design. Owning your own website can offer a multitude of opportunities to generate income online. Whether you're interested in selling products, monetizing content through online advertising, or participating in an affiliate program, a professional-looking website can help you reach a wider audience and increase your customer base. Fortunately, with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, building your own website has become more accessible and easier than ever, regardless of your technical expertise. Many website builders now include AI-powered tools that can streamline the process of building a site and help you make the most out of it. For instance, Hostinger Website Builder features an AI heat map that allows users to identify which parts of their website attract the most visitors' attention. This can be incredibly useful for optimizing the website's layout and content to improve user engagement and ultimately increase conversions. Another option is to use AI-based tools such as ChatGPT to generate suggestions on your website's design, structure, or functionality. This can save time and effort in the website building process while still ensuring a professional-looking website that is optimized for revenue generation. In short, owning a website is a valuable asset for anyone looking to generate income online, and with the help of AI-based tools, it's easier than ever to create a professional-looking website that can help you achieve your financial goals. 3. Create online courses. Using AI, creating online courses can be a lucrative strategy for individuals looking to monetize their expertise and knowledge. In addition to establishing oneself as an expert in a particular field, offering online courses can generate a steady stream of income. With the help of AI software, individuals can improve how they present and market their lessons, ultimately attracting more customers. One way to leverage AI technology in the course creation process is to use it for market research. For example, ChatGPT can be used to identify the best programming languages for a coding course, helping to narrow the target audience and create relevant and engaging content. Moreover, AI software can also suggest ideas for course topics and materials, streamlining the course creation process and saving time and effort. In addition to course creation, AI-powered tools can also be used to write compelling marketing copies that deliver unique value propositions to potential customers, increasing the chances of successful course sales. Overall, creating online courses can be an excellent way to monetize your skills and knowledge, and with the help of AI-powered tools, the process of creating and marketing courses has become more streamlined and efficient than ever. 4. Do freelance coding with AI. If you're a freelancer in the coding industry, utilizing AI tools can help streamline your work process and increase efficiency. AI software such as ChatGPT utilizes natural language processing, NLP, as the foundation of its system, which can assist with a variety of time-consuming coding tasks. NLP-based software is particularly useful in simplifying the code documentation process. It can automatically generate documentation based on your comments or natural language descriptions of the code, ultimately saving you valuable time. In addition to documentation, AI applications can also aid in research and problem-solving. When developers need to search for code snippets or libraries to address problems in their programs, artificial intelligence can provide recommendations and solutions more quickly and accurately. Furthermore, NLP AI technology can analyze and review your code comments, identifying potential issues or areas for improvement. By leveraging AI-powered tools in your freelance coding work, you can work more efficiently, ultimately increasing productivity and profitability. 5. Become an AI product affiliate. Affiliate programs that offer AI products and services present a lucrative opportunity to earn money. Through these programs, you can sell various AI-related items, including machine learning software, data analytics tools, and cloud-based infrastructure solutions. Participating in an affiliate program enables you to take advantage of current market trends and leverage them to increase your earnings potential. Additionally, these programs provide valuable resources, such as marketing materials, customer service support, and even product discounts, to assist you in optimizing your promotional efforts and reaching a broader audience. By taking advantage of these resources, you can maximize your earning potential and establish a profitable source of income through the promotion of AI-related products and services. In conclusion, AI technology offers a wealth of opportunities for those looking to make money online. Whether you're interested in creating online courses, establishing a professional-looking website, or joining an affiliate program, AI-based tools can streamline your workflow and help you reach more customers. So, why not explore the exciting world of AI and discover how you can use it to your advantage? With the right tools and mindset, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.